videoing this. Is that right,
right. Oh yeah, work away. So these are fine. They're just very, very common gastropods. But what we have here, these are these start with one in the center. He's a bryozoan, and he makes a CMAT. He clones himself over and over again. So there's hundreds of animals in that, and you get them in two types. You get them in a mat bryozoan, and then this is another type of a bryozoan where it starts as a tree, and then it comes up and it comes out. But if we have a look on here as well, so there's loads of egg cases, and you can see how much the kelp is being eaten, and they're eating the end of it. And the kelp grows from just here, about 2.5 inches. So if I had a hole punch and I put one hole here and one hole here, they would separate out because that's where it grows from. So, but if we have a look, that what I want to show you, now I bet you I won't find it again, I was just looking. There's two things on here. There's a blue-rayed limpet. This is a sea slug. Its lungs, I don't know what species it is or anything. Its lungs are on the outside of its body. So it's actually, if we put that into the water, they will all float off that. And it's actually, it's unusual enough to find it. So if I just put it down there, if you can look at him, you can just see, look, he'd be more beautiful in the water.
Beautiful.
But yeah, he's absolutely stunning, isn't he?
Gorgeous.
And then what we have on here as well is blue-rayed limpets. Now they're actually usually more common, so I only just spotted one of them. They're worth having a look for. It's kind of got iridescent blue on it. So yeah, this is more of this membrane. And then there's egg cases as well of things that are on here. Where's my blue-rayed limpet gone? These are all some, but I don't know, these look like an egg. Something's laid eggs, but I've never seen anything like it because they're really hard. So I need to look up what species. Look, see, there's loads.
Look at that, wow.
Yeah, and this is all your CMATs. So they're actually, I don't know, 1,000 animals all cloned from each other. Look, we've got our lovely little sea slug. These, I actually genuinely am sure what kind of eggs they are. They definitely seem to be some form of an egg, but they may not be. We need to look them up. Yeah, he's moving around. And then we should have, you'll just spot, there's something has laid eggs on here as well. See? Cool. That's probably one of these snails. Okay, wow. Or top shells, sorry, I'm calling them snails, but they're just a form of a...
So they lay their eggs actually onto things, they don't actually release them into the plankton?
Yeah, they lay their eggs onto, they called it grey top shell is the English name. And then in here somewhere, we had a little just one blue-rayed limpet. He was only tiny. I'll find more for you on more kelp if I can't find where he's gone and hidden on me. Blue-rayed limpets, sometimes you get the whole base covered, and they're just unusual because they shine absolutely bright blue. Don't worry, we'll see more later on if we don't see one here. It's just what life, is it just what's on the kelp? Not what they're talking about in, you know what I mean, underneath the kelp. Yeah, I think my blue-rayed limpet, I've lost him, so I'll put everything back into the water. But it's phenomenal, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful.
And I haven't even looked at what's around.